Laura Kestner-Ricketts, and I'm the Executive Director of Career and Professional Development at Augustana College in Rock Island, Illinois. Today we brought in Bartkowiak of EllenCoaching to work with us on a career coaching model that develops a framework for all of our staff for consistent work with our students. What Ellen did was she customized this model and made it appropriate not only for our career coaches, but also for our employer relations team and our admins. At the end of the day, everyone left with concrete tools to assist students as they pursue their career goals and work on career success. So if you want to bring focus, clarity, and elevated energy to your career coaching team, you need to call EllenCoaching.